Welcome. I am Dr. Nicole Andrews. I am an occupational therapist and a clinical researcher. You are watching this video because your doctor believes you may benefit from participating in our research study called the Motion Pilot Trial. In this video, I will be talking through information about the research study and the treatment you will receive if you do enroll in the study. The information I'm going to talk through is also in the participant information sheet that our lovely admin team have provided you with. The Motion Pilot Trial aims to evaluate a new treatment that is designed to help people with persistent pain reduce their opioid medication. We know from our previous research that it is difficult for people to reduce their opioid medication, and one of the main barriers is that no alternative treatment or strategies are provided to deal with pain flare-ups. So, we have developed a treatment to help people reduce the frequency and severity of pain flare-ups called Pain Roadmap. Pain Roadmap is a mobile health platform that helps us determine which activities have made your pain worse or caused your pain to flare up. We can then use this information to give you advice on how you can change these activities so your pain levels become more stable. Pain Roadmap can also monitor your progress over time so you can determine if your treatment is working. This can then motivate you to keep going. With Pain Roadmap, we monitor your activity, symptoms, and medication use and behaviour over the course of a week. This involves wearing an activity tracker. We use actigraphs, which are a more sophisticated version of a Fitbit. You wear the actigraph either around your waist or wrist at all times except for swimming and showering. For Pain Roadmap monitoring, you will also need to enter data into a mobile phone app. Your clinician then uploads this information onto an online portal where they can analyse your data. Your clinician will then provide you with feedback and advice on how you can change activities so you are in less pain and can do more of the things that are important to you. Your clinician will also be able to provide you with advice on how to go about reducing your opioid medication so you can achieve your opioid medication reduction goals. If you do decide to participate in this study, you will first be asked to fill in a short questionnaire that asks you some questions about your background, such as your age and living situation, your pain, and how your opioid medication affects you. This questionnaire can be completed online or can be mailed to you. The questionnaire takes around 20 minutes to complete. You'll also receive a call from one of our doctors who will ask you about your prescribed medications and what non-prescription drugs, such as alcohol or tobacco, you have taken over the past week. Your doctor will access your electronic health records to help them gather accurate information. You will then be randomly assigned to either the treatment or the control group. After 6 months, you will be asked to fill in another 20-minute questionnaire about the treatment you just received, your pain, and your opioid medications and how they affect you. You will receive another call from one of our doctors. The doctor again will access your electronic health record and ask you about what medications and non-prescription drugs you have taken over the past week. As a gesture of our appreciation, you will receive a $20 voucher each time you complete the 20-minute questionnaire and the phone interview with the doctor. If you are assigned to the treatment group, you will receive frequent pharmacy appointments with our pharmacist, Joe, and occupational therapy appointments with me over a 6-month period. Your appointments will occur approximately once every 2 to 3 weeks. During the 6-month period, you will complete Pain Roadmap monitoring 3 times. Each time you will be monitored for 1 week. Your treatment will focus on changing the way you do activities that are difficult or make your pain worse, improving your routine, managing your flare-ups better, supporting you to reduce medication, and establishing what is important to you and helping you achieve your goals. You can choose to receive your treatment on-site at the Tess, Cramond Pain and Research Centre or via telehealth. For Pain Roadmap monitoring, you will be loaned a mobile phone with the Pain Roadmap app installed and an activity monitor, which you will return after you have finished being monitored. If you are assigned to the control group, Your doctor at the Tess, Cramond Pain and Research Centre will provide advice to your GP on how to reduce your opioid medication. You will then be supported by your GP to reduce your opioid medication over the course of 6 months. After you have completed your 6-month questionnaire, either Joe or myself will call you to talk about your progress and offer you an appointment here at the Tess, Cramond Pain and Research Centre if you require additional support. You will also receive access to Pain Roadmap as part of your ongoing treatment at the Tess, Cramond Pain and Research Centre at this point in time. You'll be loaned a mobile phone and an activity monitor for any Pain Roadmap monitoring and offered the same number of treatment sessions as the treatment group received as part of this study. This is a low-risk project. The pain roadmap monitoring procedures have been used by 70 people with chronic pain over 2 separate trials. None of the people who have used Pain Roadmap have reported a negative impact on their health and well-being as a direct result of the monitoring. The occupational therapy and pharmacy interventions used during this trial are routinely utilised in pain services nationally and internationally and are supported by previous research. Pain Roadmap is currently only available for people who are participating in this study. If you are assigned to the treatment group, you'll be able to access Pain Roadmap immediately. If you are assigned to the control group, you'll be able to access Pain Roadmap in 6 months' time. While we can't guarantee that you will benefit from participating in this study, we hope that this study will enable your treating team to better support you, to decrease your opioid medication, and improve your health outcomes. Results from our previous studies suggest that Pain Roadmap does assist more people to reduce their pain flare-ups, which can help people to become more productive and reduce the need for some medications. Participating in any research project is voluntary. It is okay to say no. If you decide not to participate, an alternative treatment plan will be made for you, which may include individual pharmacy or occupational therapy treatment without Pain Roadmap monitoring. You're also free to withdraw from the study at any time. At that point in time, an alternative treatment plan will be made for you. You will receive a phone call from either myself or Joe within 2 business days. During this phone call, we can discuss the study and the treatment in more detail and answer any questions you may have. For the time being, you can find out more information in the participant information sheet. Thank you for taking the time today to watch this video. We look forward to talking to you in the next couple of days.